Put the line through the eye of the hook. Wrap the tag line around the main line 5 times. Put the tag line through the loop near the fishing hook. Wet your fishing line, hold the tag line, and pull the main line. Cut your tag. The uni knot, put the line through the eye of the hook and bring the tag line parallel with the main line. Make a loop on the bottom. Now wrap the tag line around these 2 lines 5 times. Wet your line. And pull it tight. The easy snell. Double your line over. Put the doubled over line through the eye of the hook and run it across the top of the fishing shank with the fishing hook facing down. Now wrap the tag line around these 2 lines and the shank of the hook 5 times. Now put the tag line through this loop. Wet your line, hold the tag line, and pull the main line. Cut your tag.